Mayan religion. What was the religious culture of the Maya? The Mayan religion was polytheistic, meaning that the Maya believed in many gods. These gods represented the natural world, such as the sun, moon, and corn. At the top of the pyramid-shaped temples, powerful priests conducted ceremonies believed to ensure good harvests and successes in war. So the Mayans believed in gods, and they believed if the priests rose up high and talked to the gods and made them offerings, that the gods would help them be successful in war and good harvests or planning to have food. The Maya believed that the gods were responsible for many aspects of life and could provide good weather and good health or cause illness and misfortune. Priests who were believed to have magical powers conducted ritual ceremonies and sacrifices to encourage the gods to help them, as well as to celebrate victories. They made sacrifices of plants, animals, and humans. Many of the sacrificed humans were prisoners of war and enslaved people. Other ceremonies involved praying, music, and ball games. All of the rituals were based on a 260-day calendar, which the priests interpreted. In addition to determining which rituals to perform, the priests also informed people of which days were best for activities such as building houses, wedding, and paying debts. Okay, so they had a 260-day calendar, which is shorter than the calendar that we have today. But they used this calendar and they looked at the dates, and that would determine when they should build their houses or get married or pay off debts or money that they owed to other people. Okay, so they also believe that in order for good things to happen to them, they had to make sacrifices to the gods. So that could be plants, it could be animals, it could be humans, okay? And the humans that they usually sacrificed were prisoners of war or enslaved people. The Maya built large stepped pyramids that served as temples in the center of many of their cities. While the priests conducted sacrifices and other rituals on the platform at the top of the pyramid, audiences watched from a large plaza below. Some rulers were buried in the temples. Okay, so they built these temples. The priests would go to the top, and this is where they would perform these ceremonies, asking the gods for goodness and help. Okay, and then everybody else could stand below and watch.